Let's learn the vocabulary of letter U. I hope you like it. Capital U, small u, umbrella, umbrella, U for umbrella. UFO, U for UFO. Unicorn, UNICORN, U for unicorn. Uranus, URANUS, U for Uranus. Umpire, UMPIRE, U for umpire. Uniform, U for uniform, UNIFORM. Underpass, UNDERPASS, U for underpass. University, UNIVERSITY, U for university. USB, U for USB. Dear kids, if you like this video, so please like, subscribe and share my channel. Have a great day. Thank you.